In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eToro to buy, sell, and short sell stocks, ETFs, and crypto. To get started, log in to your eToro account. Once you're inside the platform, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct dashboard and that everything looks familiar. If you're brand new to eToro, don't worry. The layout is designed to be beginner-friendly, and most of the key actions are easy to access from the main menu. Next, add funds to your account if you haven't already done so. Before you can place a trade, your account needs available balance. Make sure you check the funding section carefully and confirm that the money has been deposited successfully before moving on. This helps avoid interruptions when you're ready to place an order. After that, use the search bar to find the stock, ETF, or cryptocurrency you want to trade. This is one of the fastest ways to locate a specific asset. You can search by company name, ticker symbol, fund name, or crypto name. Once you find the right result, click on it to open the assets page. On the asset page, click Trade to begin. This is where you'll set up your order. If you want to buy, make sure Buy is selected, then enter the amount you want to invest. Review the order details carefully, including the asset, amount, and any risk management settings that may appear. Then click Open Trade to complete the purchase. If you want to sell an investment you already own, go to your portfolio and locate the position. Select it, click Close, then review the details before confirming the transaction. This process closes your existing investment, so it's important to double-check that you're selecting the correct position. To short sell, choose an eligible stock or ETF, then select Sell instead of Buy in the trade window. Enter your trade details and click Open Trade. Keep in mind that short selling is only available for certain assets and may require you to meet eToro's trading requirements. Also, cryptocurrency positions cannot be short sold as real assets on eToro, so be sure to check asset eligibility before placing the trade. Once your trades are open, monitor them from the portfolio page. From there, you can edit your stop loss, adjust your take profit, or close trades whenever needed. Managing open positions regularly can help you stay in control of your risk and react to market changes more effectively. Finally, review your completed trades and overall account activity in the History or Portfolio section. This is useful for tracking past decisions, checking performance, and keeping your account organized. Thanks for watching.